Hello folks, Derek James, Bayou Outdoor Supercenter right here in Bossier City. Again, very important, we are Louisiana's family-owned and operated RV store and have been for over 44 years. Toy hauling season gives a bonus. I have a 315 pack toy hauler made by Forest River. It's basically loaded out, got auto leveling, it's got a 5500 generator on board, electric awning, outdoor speakers, LED lights up underneath the awning. It's going to light it up very nicely at nighttime. Something very simple, but people are loving right now because people bring their pets with them. Actually has a dog leash here. You can let your dog out. He can enjoy the camping life as well. They're just like your entire family with Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. It is a toy hauler, but as you walk in, it's a very luxurious toy hauler. Still has your theater style seating with built-in back massage and heated seats. Your dinette booth that does lower down to become a bed. A 10-foot toy box in the back area that does has opposing couches and another queen-size electric lift bed. It's got the patio option on the one here as well. Full-size fridge and freezer, nice 3-burner cooktop, big oven and microwave, big stainless steel sink as well. All the comforts at home, all the comforts of a luxury fifth wheel, and at the same time, it's all the comforts of a luxury toy hauler. Electric fireplace, queen-size bed in your master bedroom, especially here in Louisiana and Texas and Arkansas. Yes, it does have 2 ACs, so it is a 50-amp fifth wheel. Plenty of storage, nice corner glassed-in shower. Again, your porcelain toilet. It is the 315 PACK12 Forest River Wolf Pup. Wolf Pack rather, 2021 model. Best thing, folks, basically $24,000 off the MSRP. Bayou Outdoor red tag price. During all of these record months, our prices have not been marked up. They're still marked down. $54,995. You can check us out online like people all across America do at BayouOutdoor.com. Or come by and see me again. It's Derek James, Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, 1800 Barksdale, right here in Bossier City, Louisiana.